Legend 55.
It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is good times. CEO Dozari Kaizer Chiefs 1, AmaZulu 1. Ubona ikholelwa kumntoba iqala AmaZulu belingathi alikho namhlanje. Isiqinga sokuqala iqala leKaizer Chiefs bililo ebelichoche entla. Ililo iqela ebelizinkunzi yamaZulu esithela ephekuza iKaizer Chiefs kodwa ke kwenzekile intoba iKaizer Chiefs ithe xa ifika kwi half time yabeke inika yamaZulu ithemba lentoba nathi singafumana into esandleni sibuye nayo siye kwelika banana eThekwini in the kingdom of KwaZulu. So well done to AmaZulu. They get something that they completely did not deserve in this game, which was a point away from home. So well done to them. Kaizer Chiefs, so many questions to answer because that's your 3 points. That's up to you. You should have had that. And of course, in the context of the league, whether you're going to be number 3 or number 4, number 5, or qualify for Confederations Cup, you're supposed to beat teams that are like this. Teams where every man was behind the ball. The first time we saw Kutumela was when they were substituting him. We didn't even know that he was there because every player KwaZulu was defending. Junior Kanyewa, analyst, what did you make of the game, sir?
Kuleko mabrada kunjani?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, ngicela ukudala ukuthi inkuleko mabrada. Thola leyo shane every day. Ethi ngibulisele ngwenye just bulisele uLindo Pep. Awuthiyami ngibulise ubobzini ngibulise uChasi ngwana umntana we last number.
Jackson.
Benedict Sovilakazi
Yes,
Shane.
sir.
Ebafethu kunjani keep on supporting iDiski TV fighting no one try to fix South Africa.
Sebenza man of the match.
Yeah, deserve.
Darren Johnson, goalkeeper yamaZulu, is a former under-20 international goalkeeper. Used to play for Chippa United. He was at the under-20 World Cup years ago when South Africa was last at the under-20 World Cup. So he showed the level of experience.
Yeah. Going to the game, AmaZulu approach game ngathi badlala ngathi DDC team ngikhuluma nga first half. I need to be realistic at that one. I'm not too sure. Udlala ngokutumela up front, udlala ngongwenya, ulomfana Mbanjwa. Behind them it's Pule Hendrik Extien. Awadlalisa according to his strengths sabo. Every man behind the ball. You dropping them everybody must come back
in your own half.
In your own half. Ufuna ukubamba icheese nge-counter attack. Beyanga na plan to keep the position. Mawufuna ukubamba team nge-counter attack. Mele ulinda ama-moment. You understand? You don't just ubamba ball and then you just you pass somebody team. Mele check shape team ukuthi ime kanjani. Kaizer Chiefs. Ngihlale ngisho mina if I wins the combination play. Angeke create a chance. First half they created so many chances.
Yeah, I think they tried combination.
Yeah, combination. The thing is they lack individual brilliance. Mangiti individual brilliance in Kulmangi. You need player man and character. Sometimes you can pass the ball around. I'm gonna make an example with the Pirates. You can pass the ball around. Bagwas, they can vary their game. Yabon guti bagwas small sided, they can score. Also small sided to score, sometimes keeping position. It is Bamnida, he played Fana Nabumfuki. A player that will carry a team. A player that will say, "Minang take responsibility." Not only one, we talk about two. I'm surprised the coaches batatu Serena Bambia ngaphandle. He came in Oshankunze pass. You need those players abakwazi decide the game fit. Yabo. In today's game, yes, they had so many pole position, created so many chances, but they are wide, man. But overload decide like right. I think next game there's a Confederation Cup. That's how they play. These coaches saying babunile badlala kanjani. We talking about these two assistant coaches. Solomon's coming in, joining in. Ipola mangabule ulele pupeti pola. Uyamba uJohn Ukwenyika coming on the right as a centre back. Umthetho abuya be centre back. I think that's abayazi lela side abanana banalo. Ngoba Cross always sitting here. Isathe functional ngithi basebenzisa leli. Cross ucrosser kunoma boxing. Him begi heighting akanan. How many crosses abawenzile Kaizer Chiefs? So many crosses. Well done to Mtu. I think umfana good goal. Let me put it that way. Udlale kamnandi umfana ngikhuluma nga first half. Just that man ngifuna consistent from two. Lo mfana inkosi emphile naye Ngcobo. Lento engishoyo. Take a responsibility. Kunebhola move. Itheam ka Atanale
in one moment it is so well.
Mfethu carry team. Abo unkosi ngiphile Ngcobo. I'm sure now umfana sekamkhulile nyana. Dala umfana ku debate Premiership is no longer a star. It's 26 this year. Some fan we development Kaizer Chiefs graduated long ago. You need to take responsibility. I think technically is very good. Mele sebenze nange we great yakhe. Kunobu lazy nyana lapha. Uyenzile umfana. Carry uyenzile today. Did very well. Namhla udlalile umfana. Just let in front of Ipali. I don't think they were so ruthless. Bebangekho aggressive enough. Liepo, I think it did very well. For me, a coach wrong sub. Why taking him? The umchita bamdlala ku wrong position striker. I don't think he's a winger. Because he shoots wherever. Uga right, ipali lapha, begi engela ifumi shoot. You don't even cross. Yes, technical is very good and ukwazi ukhabela stand right. Make him a striker. Akadlali la une height, angithi indlala ngecross. mbekene as a striker. So upule modi now udlale ngama moment. Good pass le goal lakamdu but after wanyamalala. And I'm wondering why he's starting the games. Now umsap mina ngisazohlala kule case because wrong that engabayenzayo. Is ubambi starting 11 is given fana na Cross. Cross I told the chance. Okay, Cross I can see maybe not much Chiefs. The guy has been exposed. I told you wing him exposed out. That guy every time I think technical is very good. Actually good defending umuntu okwazi ama tackle. Technical is very good. Une petty timing. Umo I wanna find out why starting 11 ube kusereno ngaphandle.
Oh, he should have scored. They denied him a goal.
Yeah, I'm not too sure ngizoyibeka ngale ndlela ngifisa ukuthi engizoyibeka ngayo. Uma naye man umfana you need to understand njengalela bhola it didn't need ukuthi angaze aye line in timing I think nami sometimes as a player not every ball amalifika eboxini lizokunida wena sometimes
that one was so obvious that you can just allow it to go inside.
Just relax mfana zichila zikehle boy ibhola lenethini angithi umfana uyenzile yonke ijob so hayi yonke ibhola imove ibhola lize lenethini as a striker amele uthash relax lapha ibhola ingene not a bad player I think it Chiefs they need number 9.
Yeah, he's giving them a good dimension.
Yazi i-dimension enjani a skillful striker a striker obathathela ama-decision sometimes uyalibamba 10 and then abamba i-different splitting pass ajoin eboxini and uyakwazi ukudelay run well done late run hlakaniphile lo mfana mara makadlala so faka useri number 10 akwazi ukumfita ngoba kamtholi umuntu ozomfita ngoba amabhola ya white ezeze cross mele adlale nge-second ball first half Chiefs njengoba ngisho wathi uqale kahle after 5 minutes not 5 minutes 15 minutes wanyamalala wathi Chiefs all over Atazwan. Yabona team ka Atazwan it's just that nabo njengoba ngisho individual talent. They need to start mele basayina ama players uthatha irresponsibility. Players was start sikhuluma ngenta esithatha irresponsibility. Second half I think coaching mele ngemshayela izandla but I think the coaching properly mele ngemshayela izandla because azange bamtrouble much. Uyibonile problem ikuphi ngidlalo dlala 3-4-3 ata kule game. He was exposed on the right hand side bekamaka wrong. I'm not too sure ukuthi wenze ngamabomu ukuthi let uSolomon abamba ibhola heavy allow him to have a ball just squeeze ningene phakathi angisisho ukuthi wenze ngepurpose land but he was exposed if he Chiefs bephethe quality ngalo ndlela he was going to be punished so in today's game ibonisile ukuthi there's a lot of job that Chiefs need to be done they need to sign quality players they like it or not I mean yes they dominated the game we need
they
to give
deserve to win the game
yes true but to win a game you need the quality players igame njengale one moment it's a goal. Sometimes you don't need a game yonke, just one quality, it's a goal.
Well, they had two big moments. We've already spoken about one, which was Umayo defending the ball inexplicably. The other one would have been the penalty. Let's talk about the penalty. Obviously, it's not in the rules of the game. If the ball hits somewhere else and it hits your hand, it's not a penalty. But somehow, Tanan Zanzega also had a poor game, the referee. He gave that penalty. Lilepo is supposed to score that penalty.
Angicela ukubuyela back lapho reminds nakanyaka umhlolo le ndaba yenzayo. Wrong le ndaba zenzayo. Same stadium, penalty last week, Chiefs got the penalty.
Even that today, was questionable last week as well.
Even not today, they got the penalty. So it's challenging. The question is,
this one, the blunder is that already in the rules, all the referees know if the ball touches another part of the body and then it hits the hand, it's not a penalty.
He didn't think when it's same stadium, they got the penalty. Okay, if it was opposite, it was going to be given now. Amazulu bebazoyinikana ila question mina kimi kube khona second half Atazwana
Claude Lilepo was supposed to score that penalty.
Technical I think poor sometimes you don't need power yes power behind the ball is okay sharp nami thi ngibe kahle power behind the ball but if uniclave esgebing penalty awishaya nje that's why defenders can't be so technically good to take penalties more than attackers ngihlale ngibeka good passers they know how to score penalties but good pass ehlakaniphile not just disguisayo we talking about mhlawumbe umuntu obheka leyalisele yabona not just obvious ube obvious lapha ufuka ipower but it was obvious so well done to the goalkeeper lo mjita lo ngisafuna ukumbona more
that's why they gave him man of the match
convincing man ngifuna ukubona more
if I'm not mistaken he must come from Ajax Cape Town if I'm not mistaken
but
he's a junior international he was at the under 20 it was him and Mondli Mpoto, if I'm not mistaken.
I think
under 20 World Cup. That's a good goalkeeper.
Yeah, at the Tolu goalkeeper. Tasuk Felix sitting him Charlie Zandler as well, centre back. Timing. You don't have a pace. Mdala, experience you need it, especially as Spanella, not just ordinary experience. Well done to get Tashik Felix from, I think, Cape Town City.
Yeah, he's been there for a while.
Yeah, Maripo, mnandi kakhulu. Because usizo ata, le bafana laba, I guide them properly. And mthetho ngembonile na second half, much better from them. I'm not too sure. I need to go back yobukela rematch. Ngathi ubuyele ku4. Ngikhuluma second half at the back. I'm not too sure.
Yeah, one thing that Lindo mentioned was the way that he needed to organize those 3 centre backs, because it's Ryan Hanamop on the left hand side, and then it's 3 centre backs, and then it was Ukhatebe, one of his attackers, wingers, going to the right. What they were not doing, Amazulu, was that Lama centre back out 3, he didn't assign, or they were not sure which Ubani also left to cover for Hanamop.
I think we're
and that's why they were outnumbered. But then in the second half, he fixed that. He knew where must everyone be.
He went with 4. I saw he went with 4. And then wapakisha the midfield yakhe. He didn't akana midfield ecocekile na midfield yakhe I see they are not comfortable on the ball. Like sabantu abakazukutshena kuma tight space dribbling like it's only extend. Umfana but today nakamdlalisanga according to his strength yakhe.
Yeah,
Kutumela never gave nothing. Yeah. He gave nothing naye Kutumela. Dropping them angeke baplay mobile extend naye.
All of them. If
you play players abongwenya and then you drop them. Amazulu now last 10 minutes are 24v2 Kaizer Chiefs. Players with Betway Premiership they need to learn. Mele bafunda bafana le nto le I explainekile decision making mfana is game done no reference plan like offside le ball abadlala la right last minute I don't think it's offside but the decision yakho it was wrong. I think second half ata beku game it was more tight second half because bengasi 1 week ngoba first half bengathi game ground lime kanje. Yeah, Chiefs they were coming. Just that Jobakisho lacking of quality. They lack quality. Played very well, but in lack that individual brilliance. Talking about I'm a player about Scar about this decided game. Scar Emmanuel Gobes. Yeah, I'm gonna talk about that. And and they need to go back. But told I'm a player Not than that. Well done to Art. The coaching. This is coaching second half. I'm giving credit. I think we look see the tactical spot on. Not to say they played good, but tactical. Well done also composed in the middle field. Delay. Also Baba Michis Ngalama counter bigafuna. Positioning I think second half. Well done to them. So well done with the winner. I told you one but I think first half he was lucky. Because now they're penalty right Chiefs. They change the complexion of the game. Because of Funuksuke move.
Definitely.
And then many goals were going to come. So poor penalty, but to every man. I love every South Africa, but man.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much, Junior. That was Kaizer Chiefs drawing against Amazulu. It's one of those rare moments where people will be extremely disappointed, Chiefs fans, with 1-1. Sometimes 1-1, you take it as a fan. You're like, okay, it's a draw. We tried and they tried. But this one, Chiefs fans will be really annoyed because they deserve all 3 points. The game plan in Amazulu was really just to come here, make themselves difficult, but they were not even that difficult. If you look at Kaizer Chiefs' centre backs, there was a point where they were at the centre, Bokwenika doing whatever they want there because Amazulu's players were all in their own box. 1-1 Kaizer Chiefs, Amazulu. It is Times was suspecting.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to iDiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, ama coach for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiski TV.